Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study&Sparkle with Srishti. So I'm really sorry that I couldn't post any new video because I was really busy in all my studies and exam stuff. But today I've come up with a video related to space and science, and the title for this video is How Did the Universe Begin? How did it all begin? How were the plants? How were the animals? How were we originated? Naturally. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon. Now let's get started with our video. So sometimes we might wonder that how did we came into life? Or more precisely, how did the universe begin? We all know that the universe is very big and it all started with the amazing Big Bang explosion. So the Big Bang explosion was something like this, as you can see here, and it is really cool, right? So let's start with the next exploring. So we are exploring the universe and its depth and finding out the history behind the Big Bang theory. We all know that the universe is very vast and we can't go in a very good depth, and learning this would be really hard because the universe is hiding many mysteries and it's just one part of them. So we'll try our best and try to explore new things in the universe. So the main topics covered in this video are the most main topic, which is the Big Bang theory, the subtopics, which is the age of universe, discovery, the first stars, the Milky Way, the solar system, and the planets and our Earth. So let's start with our main topic and our subtopics. So the main topic, the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang or the Big Bang theory is the leading explanation of how our universe began. The Belgian priest named George Lemaitre was the first to suggest about the Big Bang theory. So he told everything about the Big Bang theory and he thought that this explosion was happening through some mystical objects. So the Big Bang theory is one of the most epic ones, and the Big Bang went into a very big explosion and then created the universe. Now we'll come to our subtopics, which is 1. Age of the universe. So the age of the universe is 13.8 billion years. Can you believe it? We live in a universe which is 13.8 billion years old. It is very old and an everlasting universe. Now the universe says to us, I'm 13.8 billion years old. Can you believe it? Haha, I even couldn't believe it because when I was researching, I was really shocked and I wanted to share this fact with you all. So let's start with our next subtopic now. So the next one is discovery of the Big Bang. So, the Big Bang theory includes a large number of stars and was discovered by George Lemaitre. Edwin Hubble concluded from the analysis of galactic redshifts in 1929 that galaxies are drifting apart. Now, this Edwin Hubble thing was actually one extra information I found out from when I was researching, so I wanted to share it with you all. So, you can refer this too. And it means that the galaxies are drifting apart. That means they're going away, far away from each other. We don't really know that this is dangerous or not, but we still need the proper conclusion from scientists that if this could be dangerous or not. So let's start with the next subtopic now. The next one is the first stars. So the first stars were likely to be formed when the universe was about 100 million years prior to when the first galaxies were formed. So we obviously know that galaxies are like cluster of stars. That is why when the first galaxies were formed, then the first stars were formed. So the first stars, however, were made up of different compounds and elements. Hydrogen and helium and tiny amounts of lithium were the elements and compounds that were used to make the first stars. And astronomers know that the first stars, officially known as population 3 stars, so you have to remember this name, population 3 stars, they must have been made almost solely of hydrogen and helium. That means the elements that formed as a direct result of the Big Bang. So hydrogen and helium are really important for the formation of the stars and the Big Bang. That means our universe and our galaxies too. So let's start with our next subtopic. We have the Milky Way. So, the Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system, with the name describing the galaxy's appearance from Earth. So, Milky Way appeared as a hazy band of light seen in the night sky from the stars that cannot be individually distinguished by the naked eye. So, these stars are really small that cannot be distinguished by naked eyes. The term Milky Way is a translation of the Latin via lactea from the Greek. So, from Earth, the Milky Way appears as a band because its disc-shaped structure is viewed from within. So, we have those CDs and DVDs, right? So, our Milky Way also looks like this only. The Milky Way looks like a CD maybe. So, in this picture, you can see that it is like a CD containing all the stars and everything, all the meteorites, asteroids, everything. So Galileo Galilei first resolved the band of light into individual stars with his telescope in 1610. Now you can imagine his telescope was so advanced and so costly that helped him to see that the Milky Way is a band of light into individual stars. So it's really good that he found out this. Now let's get to our next subtopic. So we have the solar system. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the planets orbiting the red giant, the Sun obviously. It is a very vast system containing the planets, the rocks, meteoroids and asteroids, and the great stars. Solar system mainly is seen by the orbiting of the planets, which is the reason of change of seasons and dates. So, with this hint that all the planets are orbiting the sun, we call this as the solar system. That means everything is orbiting the sun. The sun is in between, and every planet, everything is orbiting the sun about its own axis and orbit. So when they orbit the they orbit the solar, which is the sun. This is the reason for change of seasons and dates. So this was something about the solar system. Now let's get to our next subtopic related to the planets. So the planets. As of the last subtopic in the solar system, the main objects or bodies are the planets. These are also called the celestial bodies as they are orbiting the sun. So these are the 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. And I think some of you know that Pluto was also a planet, but it was too small for a planet, so we've named it as a dwarf planet officially. And also in my last planets video, I've told you some facts about these planets, so do visit that video too, so that you can get a better idea of this. Now let's get to our next subtopic, which is really interesting and related to us only. So, our Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. It is the only planet with life. The Earth was formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Now, we have learned that the universe was formed about 13.8 billion years ago. So as I told, it took really a long time for everything to be formed. That is why our Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. So our Earth was formed using different compounds like swirling gases, different dust particles, etc. etc. Earth was a really torrid and extremely hot planet when it was formed. Like other planets too, it has a core, a mantle and a crust. So I'll make another video related to this core, mantle and crust. So we all know that we live on the surface of the earth, which is the crust. And inside of the surface of the earth, that means inside the crust, we have two more layers, the core and the mantle. So we'll discuss about it later on in my next video so that you can get a better idea of it. So this was something about our dearest planet Earth, and which is the only planet with life. Life means all of us, the plants, animals, everything, all the living organisms, everything. So let's end this topic now. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till the next video, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Bye everyone.